thank you for staying with Times Now. We're bringing you special coverage of Sunita Williams' return to Earth. And when the splashdown happened, when the entire journey was unraveling, Times Now was with you. We were up all night bringing you the live coverage. And right now I have my colleague Amita with us, going straight across to the newsroom. Amita, the wishes are pouring in. Take us through the kind of wishes that are coming in from leaders across the world and from India as well.
Absolutely, and of course when it comes to the concern, and the biggest one that was raised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, where he was wishing for a safe return of the astronauts, well, that has happened. And already let's take a look at two of the union ministers there, how they have reacted upon the safe arrival of Sunita Williams. This is Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh saying delighted at the safe return of NASA's Crew 9 on Earth. The crew, comprising of India's daughter Sunita Williams and other astronauts, have rewritten history of human endurance and perseverance in space. Sunita Williams' incredible journey, unwavering dedication, fortitude and fighting spirit will inspire millions across the globe. Her safe return is a moment of celebration for space enthusiasts and for the entire world. Her courage and achievements make us all proud. Congratulations and a big thank you to all the stakeholders from bringing them back safely on Earth. Let's talk about Dr. Jitendra Singh as well, saying that this is a moment of glory, pride and relief. The whole world comes together to celebrate the safe return of the illustrious daughter of India, who has instantly gone down in history for courage, conviction and consistency, which he has endured the uncertainties of space. So Bharat Ki Beti, that is the message mainly, Sagrika, that seems to be going across. Of course, the mantris there and many more other leaders who have been wishing on social media.
Yes, and it's a moment of pride for every Indian. And also, let's